In every garden lies untapped potential. From the tiniest seed to the mightiest tree, every plant promises extraordinary beauty and abundance. Are you ready to unlock it? Well, look below the surface. The rich, living soil is the foundation of healthy plant life. By nourishing this ecosystem, you'll empower every seed, sprout, and mature plant to reach its full potential. Watch your flowers bloom, your vegetables grow nutritiously, and your fruit trees bend under the weight of their harvest. This isn't just gardening, it's cultivating a healthier, more sustainable way of life. High potassium levels provide stress relief and resilience, optimizing water usage during drought or rain, and strengthen plant cells to resist pest and disease attack. Unlike harsh chemical fertilizers, the sustained release of organic nutrients ensures steady, long-lasting nourishment. It's a climate-smart, carbon-conscious approach that nurtures your garden while respecting the environment. Perfect for roses, flowering plants, shrubs and trees, and fruiting edibles alike. With Talborne Organics Vita Fruit and Flower 315, a little goes a long way. Just 100 grams per square meter every 4 months will unlock your garden's full potential. Healthy soil equals healthy plants equals healthy people.